Basic Git commands. Welcome to our Git tutorial. In this video, we will demonstrate 3 essential Git commands: git init, git add, and git commit. These commands are fundamental for managing your project's version control. Open VS Code. Open folder. Create any file. Type whatever you want. Save. Open new terminal. Let's start with git init. This command initializes a new Git repository in your project directory. In the terminal, type git init and press enter. Git status, to track the status of the file. Next, let's use git add to stage changes. Staging prepares files to be committed to the repository. This command adds test.js to the staging area, making it ready for the next commit. Finally, let's use git commit to save our stage changes. A commit is like a snapshot of your project's history. In the terminal, type git commit, first commit and press enter. The flag allows you to add a commit message. This command creates a new commit with the message first commit, recording the current state of the project. To recap, we've covered 3 basic Git commands: git init to initialize a repository, git add to stage changes, and git commit to save those changes. These commands form the foundation of using Git for version control. Thank you for watching. In our next video, we'll explore working with remote repositories and branching. Stay tuned.